Hey everybody, as you can see, I'd like to show you some stuff under the microscope. So basically, this is the old garlic, and I don't know if you see something was moving here, over here, something small. I don't know if you see it, but here, I don't know what is this. If you know, please tell me in the comments what kind of creature is this on old garlic. So basically, this is how looks old garlic. Really cool stuff, actually. This is not professional microscope, but still it is usable. I have bought it only for 30 bucks, so nothing special. Let's see another item. For example, with this microscope you can examine coins. Okay, and it looks perfect. With this microscope you can examine coins if you do for business or pleasure, and it's really cool. You can see every detail of the coin much better than with your own eyes. This is old coin from Venezia, Italy, and it is really cool. Please tell me in the comments what do you think about this. Let's see another. For example, you can with this microscope examine electronics parts, and it looks amazing. So small, and you can examine everything you want. Really cool. And other side, so you can see if there's something damaged or corrosion or something similar. This PCB board is still okay if it is old over 50 years. Let me focus this. Okay, so it has, you have to manually focus the image, but when it's focused, then is everything fine. Let's see, for example, old bubble, and you can see how it's made. Really cool. Three amperes. Let's see. This is for cleaning ears. Creepy. And something is in here. I don't know what is that. Let's see this. This is the skin of the garlic. I hope you like this video. Please comment and tell me what you think, and I would appreciate if you can subscribe to my channel. It's look creepy actually. Also, for example, you can see my finger. And for example, let's see this the part of old banana. Creepy as well. I hope you like this video. Please comment, and if you can, subscribe to my channel. Bye.